Good day, team. All right, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a Gleen Trust account from scratch. All right, so let's jump into this tutorial right now. Right, so what you would do is you would click on the link that was sent to you, and you would then see a page like this, right? If you do click on the link, you might even see this page, this front page here. So if you do see this page, you simply just at the top here, you can either click on sign up here, or if you're doing it on the phone, just scroll down under your portfolio. You will see here that there's a register button here, and then you can simply click on the register button. So what you will be required to do then is you will be required to put in your name, your last name, your country, an email address, and a password that you can remember. So as soon as you've put all of this information, simply click on register, and you have officially registered your first Gleen Trust Capital account.